PickYourPlace is a web application that helps users pick a place to live, whether they're renting or buying. It considers location as a main component in the decision-making process and allows users to visualize and navigate the world surrounding properties and make spatially aware decisions. It enables users to understand property value trends in different geographic areas, evaluate a number of safety factors in a localized view, and compare accessibility to nearby services and amenities using different travel modes, including walking, biking, riding on public transit, and driving. Now, let me show you how it works. So when you open up the URL for this application, it'll show all properties within the city of Calgary in Canada on a map. Each dot represents a property, and all properties are styled using a shade of purple. Lighter color means lower property values, and darker color means higher property values. So with this interactive map, you can pan around, explore the area, different neighborhoods, different properties, zoom in, zoom out, hover over properties, see, summary information about the property value, their address. And if you like a property, you can click on it, and then the application will show you the information box. And in that, it shows more information about the property in 3 different categories: dollar value, safety, accessibility. So under dollar value, it shows the assessed property value and its trend over the past 3 years. It shows the property class, the construction year, and the square footage. Under safety, there are 4 different indicators. The first one is local crime, which is a population adjusted and aggregated view of crime statistics in different neighborhoods across the city. So with that, you can compare the crime statistics in different neighborhoods in the city in a map-based visualization. And different colors mean different crime rates, from green, lower crime, to red, higher crime rates. The second layer is flood probability, that shows how likely it is to have a flood in 100 years. So 1% chance of flooding in 100 years versus 5% versus 10% and 20%. So it shows basically a risk value associated with that property in that area. The next one is about hospitals and EMS stations that are reachable within a 15-minute drive. So you can see the stations and you can see the area that is reachable within that 15-minute drive. The next one is about fire stations. You can see how many fire stations are within that 15-minute drive. The accessibility factor includes 4 different indicators and supports 4 different transportation modes: walking, biking, public transit, and driving. So you can see how many schools are within a 15-minute walk, how much green space you have access to within a 15-minute walk, and trail access and bikeway access within a 15-minute drive. Of course, you can change transportation mode to biking, for example, public transit, or driving if you want to compare different modes. Now, this application is built using open source software, open data, and open standards, and it's hosted on AWS. The front application is a single page application powered by 3 backend components. First one is an RDS PostgreSQL. Second is a tile server hosted on an EC2 instance, and a travel time calculator, again on an EC2 instance. And all those components are powered by Graviton-based instances. So in order to evaluate the performance of Graviton-based instances, I deployed the same application stack on non-Graviton-based instances, that is x86 instances, and found out that having a ARM64 architecture improves the performance significantly. So for example, for the RDS, there is a 46% performance boost. For the tile server on EC2, 68%. For the travel time calculator on EC2, 71% performance improvement. And you can see the full report on performance evaluation in the Google document submitted with this submission.